Welcome, and thanks again for watching this channel. Today we're going to go really quick over the April updates. What's the best way to get in contact with the hotels so that you can get your booking confirmation fast, and my recent Thai Pass experience. So here it is. Let's get started. Thanks again to all my current and new subscribers, and if you are new and watching this, please consider subscribing. It really helps me out a lot. I will make sure to keep you updated of all the new Thai Pass application updates, as well as any tips on my experience and personal experience that I have throughout my Thailand trips. So here are the April updates, and basically the most important update is that you do not have to show proof of a negative RT-PCR within 72 hours of arriving into Thailand. After that, everything else for the Thai Pass application pretty much remains the same. You still need to get your passport and visa if you need one. You still need to get your booking confirmation with one overnight stay and have a prepaid RT-PCR and ATK test. That has to be in the booking confirmation itself so that when you apply, they can see that you have that prepaid. Third thing is you still need your vaccination certificate and the certificate of insurance with at least $20,000 of coverage if you are non-Thai national or if you don't have a social security number there. So really the main update here is that you do not need the RT-PCR test within 72 hours of arriving into Thailand. So now I'm going to show you what is the best way that I get in contact with the SHA Extra Plus hotels so that they can send me the information that I need rather than emailing them or going through their website. So the fastest way that you can get in touch with these hotels, it's through Line or Messenger. Yes, in Thailand, they're very used to these messaging apps, and the official one over there that they use the most, of course, is Line. So if you can download Line and communicate through that, it's good, but you can also use Messenger. I myself use Messenger, and I'm going to show you how I did this. I looked for the SHA Extra Plus hotels that I wanted to stay at. I selected a few of them, and then I just started going through their Facebook pages and started sending in messages. Many of them replied to me within an hour, most of them replied to me within a day, but then when I wanted to get one booked, I got it basically booked within minutes, and they sent me the confirmation, I sent in the documents that they needed, and I got my confirmation within an hour. And after that, while I was going through the Thai Pass, I actually didn't check that in the booking confirmation, the antigen test, the ATK, was listed. So while I was going to apply, right before applying, I noticed that I sent them again a quick message through Messenger, and within 5 minutes they were able to update it and send me the booking confirmation that included the RT-PCR and the ATK test, and I was able to submit my application right away, and actually it was approved within 1 day. So now let's go over any of the changes that the Thai Pass application process have, and basically it remains the same. It hasn't really changed much, but you only have a little area here where if you have an Agoda booking confirmation, you can submit it through that. Other than that, you can do the exact same steps that I showed you in the last video, and you will still get your Thai Pass. I will recommend you though to submit it right away because the Thai holidays are coming up, so that the wait times could be a lot longer or take a lot longer now. I did it a couple of days ago and I got my results within a day, so try to do it as fast as you can. Just don't get caught up into those holidays. It might not make you just want to be sure. They may not have any effect on the application process time, but I wouldn't take any chances and just do it as fast as you can. So there you have it. There are no really major changes in the Thai Pass application process. The only April update is that you do not need to show proof of a negative RT-PCR test within 72 hours of arriving into Thailand. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. If you like updates like this, please consider subscribing. This really helps me out a lot and to put in more effort and making more and more of these videos. So thank you so much, and until the next video.